Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shard or installation service business. Suppose as the owner of shard or installation service, I use WhatsApp chatbot to provide estimate, book installations and confirm design preferences. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your shard or installation service business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. Simply we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and type I want door installation. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hi there, welcome to Crystal Glide Shard Doors. Looking to install or upgrade your shard door? We can help you with. Now we have in 3 options: price estimate, book installation, design options. Now we simply click on design options. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. Here are some popular design options for shower doors: frameless glass, sliding door. Now we have an option price estimate and book installation. Simply click on book installation. After clicking, you will see I am getting another response. Great, let's schedule your installation. Please provide full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, I am getting another response, preferred date and time. Now I am entering date 25 May 2025 and time 10 AM. After typing date and time, I am getting our last message. While confirm shortly, a team member will contact you soon. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 Pabbly applications. Simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have 2 options: WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chat flow. Simply click on flows. This is our flow builder page. Now we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we want to create our new chat flow. Simply click on add flow button. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your shard door installation service business. Now we have 2 options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. This format helps us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we also triggered our chatbot with the help of keywords and templates. Now we take text button and write a welcome message on it. Hi there, welcome to Crystal Glide Shower Doors. Looking to install and upgrade your shower door? We can help you with. Now in this we also add buttons. Price estimate, booking installation, design options. Now we simply connect the flow. Now we take question box and write some message on it. When user press price estimate button, then we will send over this message and select the contact custom field, order, and also select the format, that is text format, and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take text button and write some message on it. When user press design option button, then we will send over this message. In this message box, we also add some media. So simply click on media button and simply upload the media which I already downloaded, and simply enter the caption. And you will see I am using the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we also add book now button. Now simply save the flow. Now we take another media box and simply upload the media and enter the caption and also add book now button. Now we take caution box. In this box, we ask a name from user. Great, let's schedule your installation. Please provide full name. Now we select the contact custom field, full name, and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this book now button to this caution box. And also connect this book installation button to this question box. If user want direct installation, then they can easily do. Now simply save the flow. Now we can another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user and simply connect this question box to this box and select the contact custom field, date and time, and also select the format, that is text format. Now we take text button and write our last message on it. Well, confirm shortly, a team member will connect you soon. Now simply connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for shower door installation service business. You can increase your chat flow according to your needs. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type door installation. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.